and Quest Passer and OIC Principal for more than 3 years. I applied for Principal 1, Natural Vacancy Position. Pero wala pong item na ibinibigay until now. Tumaan naman sa process of ranking. Ano pong assurance na magkaka-item po ako as Principal 1?
Okay. Wala pong application or principal position kung walang natural vacancy. In the first place, why do you call for an application kung walang vacancy? Klaro. Okay. So ano po ang gagawin para sa kanya? Kung siya ay OIC, may hawak ng school na meet yung qualifications, ang gagawin mo sa kanya is submit for reclassification. Because that head teacher has already that experience, may hawak ng school, mayroon ng minamanage na mga tao, so they can be reclassified. That should be the approach. Hindi pwedeng mag-call for application kung nag-iintay ng principal item. Correct? So, ibig sabihin, pero ngayon, dahil may 6,000, i-distribute natin yung 6,000 across, baka lang kulangin. Right? Kaya nagpapaprofile ako, and I hope the SDO will be able to submit ilan na yung qualified na head teacher ninyo na may school, doon natin ibibigay. Pero, hindi po garantiya kung newly created item, hindi po pwedeng placement. Still application. Okay po? Pero ang best para sa kanya na may school, qualified, reclassification.
Salamat po, Yusek. Partner.
Sir Art,
Yes.
last question na po, Yusek.
Good morning po, sir. I am Mr. Torres po from SDO University. Ang question ko po, clarification standards lang po for school principal 1. Ang nakalagay po sa ECP, graduate ka ng master's na education management or leadership or subject learning area with 9 units of management. Yung 9 units po ba dapat sa MAED lang po siya mag-appear or pwede pong nag-bridging program po siya na educational management or graduate po siya na EDD na educational management or solely for masters na po talaga?
Parang nakuha mo na lahat Teka nito. If you recall, nung mga nagdaang panahon, kaya nagkakaroon ng problema, MA in Educational Leadership, no? Okay. Tapos, yung isa, aplikante, MA in Math. Okay. So, pero nagkakagulo ngayon yung mga SRM mo at saka SRM PhD. Sino ang relevant? Sino ang mas qualified? So, mas pinadali natin yan. Ibig sabihin, basta may MA ka, whether educational leadership or subject specific, pwede. Basta mayroon kang 9 units ng management. Kahit saan mo pinutot yun. Klaro, sir? Okay. Kasi po, diba, kakakulo tayo. Yung kalaban ko, master's degree. Ako, master's din. Pero ako, MA in physics. Mas maganda pa nga yung course ko kaysa sa kanya. Kasi sa kanya, leadership lang. Talo ako. Tapos, pag doktor, 35 points. Tama? So, inalista din natin yun. Binabaan natin. But, ang kailangan, competence. Right? So, ang tanong, doon sa ginaano natin. Kasi yung pag-aaral ng masters, hindi na tayo credential heavy. Right? Kasi dati noon, doktor ako eh. Diba? Ayaw kong kalabat ang dolaryo. Napahirap ko ng login at saka tapos na. So, I think that's a good question.
Thank you, Yusek. Pahabol na lang na question po daw from SDO Pasig. Magkakaroon po ba daw ng nurse ang bawat schools?
Ito po pinakamahirap na posisyon na hawakan ko. Sa totoo lang. Yung nurse kasi is shared service. Right? Shared service po yan. But we're trying to establish care centers or learn formation centers across schools. Kasi ang daming batas. May batas na kailangan mong sundin. So, gagawin natin yon, uunahin lang muna natin sa SCA. Dahil pero masyado mataas yung nurse, ang nandun sa ating SOSS is nursing attendant. Hindi po flight attendant, nursing assistant or ano. Kaya po ganun yun is that, isa doon sa QBED is that senior high school graduates fit for employment. That is outcome number 5. We being the largest employer in the government, dapat tayo mismo nagpapakita na yung senior high school graduates natin may pupuntahan. That's why we're creating some positions that may fit for our senior high school graduates. So, dun sa tanong, nurse, medyo hindi pa natin kaya. Dentist, hindi pa natin kaya. Kasi we are just looking for critical positions muna. At dun sa SOSS, hinati na natin. Teaching and delivery, nandun yung lahat ng mga teachers, master teachers. Learner formation, nandun lahat. Yung health and allied services. That's the SOSS. Doon sa kabilang side, school management and operations. Nandun yung mga EO, nandun yung mga ADAS. Kasi mag-claim din tayo ng ADAS 2, ADAS 3 para sa mga schools. Yun muna, para makuha natin yung positions. But the nurses should still be shared in the meantime. Even guidance counselor, nag-start muna tayo sa SCA. But once na-approve yung QS natin, yung mga existing guidance counselor ngayon na salary grade 13, they can be reclassified to higher positions up to salary grade 22, depending on qualifications.
Thank you very much, Paul, Yusek Cabral, for answering all the queries of our participants today. So that concludes our question and answer. Once again, let us give a round of applause to our dynamic speaker, Yusek Cabral.
To show our appreciation, please remain on stage for the certificate handover. And to present the certificate, we'd like to call on stage Ms. Carlene Segovia, STS of Quezon City and PAS NCR President. Together with Ms. Rita Riddle, OIC Assistant Regional Director. We would like to call all of the STS and ASTS to join in on stage for a quick group photo.